So let's see what else we had here in the box. Okay, so there is a rust here. This looks to be old. Let's see what this is. So what it says is product code is 9-83-080. It's 50 mm metal spring clamp. Okay, July 2023 only it is from. Still there is a rust. Okay, if you see here, it's written Stanley and it's actually 83080. This one here, the model number. And there is a spring like mechanism. Oh, this is hard. Where this is stuck. Maybe I'll remove it later on. This Stanley tag. MRP is 291 rupees. So let's say if I try to hang this, attach this knife in the front, and this is strong, like the hold is strong. Here also you can see the Stanley edging. If you measure the dimension, it's a small piece. This one is 10 centimeter. From top till here it's 16 centimeter. Like this, or diagonally if I measure here, less than 16 little bit. 15.8 you can say. If I expand this till here, 3 centimeter, I can expand it. But it says actually how much? 50 mm, like 5 centimeter. I should be able to expand it. Okay, so if I use both my hand, yes. So maybe this one is 5. Let's try. Okay. This is like that tool that we use for that exercise with the spring mechanism. It's something similar to that. Okay, I can hold it till 4 centimeter. So yeah, so using 2 hands, I can just fix something with 5 centimeter here. Okay, so this is the spring clamp, metal spring clamp from Stanley. So yeah, most likely I will use it somewhere.